Who we got here now? Yeah. Right. I'm sliding too well on that. They're hard to get out. Them brushes. That's probably bad. Probably. Don't think she's been open before, this one. So that's always a good thing when they haven't been open before. There was something I was fixing in my live stream. These don't like the 5 amp battery. Somebody wants to go live together. I don't want to go live together. Not at the minute. These don't like these are like the Makita cheap one, the Makita brush grinder. They're soft wee grinder. They die easily. Hopefully the bearing's not seizing this thing. Hopefully not. Well, get that out anyway. You see. She's not that dirty. It's in the wash. Now the bearing's still rotating, so that's good. They melt the brush holder. Exactly, stand fix, that's what they do. They melt the brush holder. I'm going to try this. See what we're going to do. This armature. We'll do that. That'll thin her a little bit. We'll see what else we can do with it before we start stripping her down. How can we clean that armature? With a wee wipe. Alright. There we are. I've done one of these before. I'm not really well keen on the design of these, but you know, it'll be okay. Those little wires to stay in place. That's pretty good there. That down. I'm looking for the notch. There it is there. Just looking at it. How many we got on now? 32. Don't be afraid to like the live. This may or may not go when I'm finished. Just a word of warning. There we are. There were. There's a little notch that has to sit down on, or I should not close for you. That's her now. We'll do a fix or feel on this when I get it back together here now. Hopefully that's done the job. We'll see. I only started this as a hobby or sideline. It's now my full-time job. Well, it's still a hobby to me, Stanfix. I appreciate that now. It's still a hobby to me. It's a hobby that's got out of hand. The brushless are real good. I only use it for light work. These wee grinders are only for light work. I know a guy had the Makita one. He was cutting tiles with her. It was a recipe for disaster. He was asking for a bullet. To be honest, he was just asking for it. Cutting tiles with these wee things. The dust gets on around the brush holder and it's all over. It's all over then. If you don't know Stanfix's profile here on TikTok, check that out. Very good videos, very good fixes, very good information. Just real good. Different stuff that I'm doing. He wouldn't be interested in what I'm doing. As far as fixing's concerned, anyway. And I wouldn't be able to do what he's doing, so. And I don't think there's enough people around the country fixing stuff. There's a real demand for fixing stuff because I'm here in Tyrone. and somebody from way down the bottom of Donegal, near the bottom of Donegal, contacted me today, wants me to fix batteries for him. There's nobody about that's even going to... good man, he fixed all of Makita's impact wrenches, his work. Good man. Good man. That's good. That's good, thanks for the follow he has. But there are not enough people doing this stuff. Because there's people contacting me from all over to send me stuff. And I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to say, oh, poor me, getting all this stuff to fix. I never advertised to fix stuff. I never advertised. It's just all been word of mouth and now word of TikTok, if you like. So, and like I say, I'm only a part-time, and I would consider myself an amateur, not a professional. I wouldn't say that I'm top-notch, but I can do some things well. But I have a bit of fun with it. I don't take it too seriously, and if it goes wrong, it goes wrong. If it goes right, it goes right. I always say I'll fix a thing or leave it that nobody can fix it. You see, you have a 50 links 4 times, then shows full. No, they're a nightmare. Why don't you make it full time, full of flame? And that's a good question. I just don't think the money's in. I don't think it could generate the income. I just don't think it could generate the income at this stage. Stanfix can do it. Now I'm in awe of him. Fair play to him. Fair play to anybody who can do this full time. I think the social media component of it is, let's see, I better do this right. The social media component adds an extra dimension as far as keeping you interested, and see, that's it now. As far as keeping you interested and all the rest, keeping a bit of spice in it. Let's see if we've any grease for that. The social media thing is interesting. It adds an extra dimension. Like if I was if I hadn't the camera on, wasn't live on TikTok, I'd be in yeah. If I wasn't on TikTok or YouTube and doing the live streams and doing the videos and interacting, I'd be in my own the workshop talking to myself. And that's not a bad. Sometimes that's enjoyable. Sometimes you need a wee bit of peace. Sometimes it's nice to be in your own with your thoughts and all that there. But you know, I only put on the live stream because I didn't think it was something I wanted to be doing my own tonight. I didn't want to be. I don't know if this will go. Oh what?